Up until a month ago, I was all about the tall turf type fescue, like all about it. And I still like fescue, but I like it when it's cut shorter. And in the summer months, you're not supposed to cut it that short. You're supposed to keep it 3.5 or higher. And I haven't been doing that. Not in the backyard. In the front yard, I've been following the rules. But in the backyard, I've been testing things a little bit. And I actually have gotten quite interested in reel mowing. In order for me to reel mow, I would have to do a complete renovation, change my grass type, buy the equipment, and I just don't have the money for that. But you know what? I was scrolling through YouTube the other day and I came across a video.
So this reel mode thing is very interesting to me because a lot of people would have never considered that tall fescue should be mowed low or that it really can be. But sometimes the rules don't necessarily apply to everything and you need to just try something and see what it looks like.
Hey, look, I have been following Ryan Knorr since I've started doing lawn care, and I respect his expertise and knowledge about all types of grass. If anything goes wrong, I am taking it completely upon myself to do this testing on my backyard. So I'm actually going to try to keep the backyard at 2 inches for the rest of the summer. It's currently cut at 2.5 because my family really likes it when it's short. So I'm gonna leave it like this for the summer. I'm gonna give it some biostimulants. I'm gonna give it some soil amendments, and it's already been fed with the higher Brix. I don't need to feed it again until probably the first week of September. So here we have the backyard cut down to 2.5 inches. This looks good, but I think 2 is going to look even better. Okay, I want to go ahead and point out a few issues. This area right here was already messed up because I had that grill over here blocking one of the sprinkler heads. So, and this one here is the main one that hits this area. And I didn't realize it for probably a few weeks. So this is kind of dead, and I do plan on reseeding and taking care of that in the fall. But this is what 2 inches looks like in the back immediately after a cut. And I like this. I love this. Do have some problem areas over there. Again, the sprinkler head is over there in the corner where they should have installed them over there to shoot out. But I love the way this looks at this height. Now, if I can just keep it green. And this is the backyard as of today, which is July 20th. Still looking pretty good. If I can get through the summer with it looking like this, I'm gonna be a happy camper. RTF, height of cut, 2 inches. Phew.